Thank you for choosing Sandele Eco-Retreat and hopefully making your stay with us carbon conscious. As you know, we're living in a unique moment, not just in human history, but in planetary history. The bad news is we're depleting our Earth's resources and biodiversity at an alarming rate. In the Gambia, climate change is threatening our beautiful People's Coast and inland agriculture. And despite growing warnings, governments and corporations are just not reacting quickly enough to avoid things getting worse. The good news is that more and more of us are connecting the dots and are wanting to work together to leave a healthy planet for future generations. And this includes Sandele. Not only are we dedicated to top-notch hospitality, we're also committed to responsible, sustainable ecotourism at Sandele and in our surrounding communities. For example, we've pioneered the use of locally sourced earth bricks in our construction. We generate our energy through solar and wind power. We use rocket stove technology, which uses 90% less wood than traditional cooking methods. And we also founded the Sandele Foundation, which supports the education and training of local Gambians, turtle conservation along the People's Coast, and the Sandele Sustainability Exhibition and Training Center. We now invite you to join our environmental efforts and make your stay with us carbon conscious. How? Working with Earth Deeds, a social venture empowering local solutions to global warming, you can measure the carbon emissions of your travel to the Gambia and account for the social costs of your emissions by contributing to the Sandele Foundation. Earth Deeds calls this onsetting, and they make it very easy. First, please click the Onset Emissions Now button on your team page to be brought to your custom calculator. Then, input your flights, ground travel, and accommodations to estimate your emissions and learn what this means in real-world terms. For example, flights from Brussels and a 2-week stay at Sandele emits a little over 2.5 metric tons of CO2, about the same as watching almost 30,000 hours of TV, or the annual emissions of someone living in Botswana. You can then see an estimate of the social cost, the anticipated economic damages of these emissions through rising sea levels, declining agriculture, etc. And then donate what you can to support the good work of the Sandele Foundation. You can also share with others and crowdfund additional contributions to account for any remaining emissions that you're not able to pay for yourself. Thank you, because global warming is unfolding in our lifetimes, and we can't wait for others to fix things. We're excited to work together to be the change we wish to see in the world. Please, click the links to learn more about Earth Deeds and start onsetting your emissions today. Thank you.